Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Microsoft Planner in Teams step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer or device. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Locate the Teams tab on the left sidebar. Choose the team where you want to create a planner. Click on the plus icon at the top of the channel. A window will pop up, showing available apps. In the search bar, type Planner and select it. Click on the Add button to integrate Planner into your team. You may see a prompt to set up a new plan or use an existing one. Select Create a new plan if starting fresh. Enter a name for your new plan. Optionally, add a description for clarity. Click on Create Plan to finalize this step. Your planner board will now open within Teams. To add tasks, click on the Add Task button. Enter the task name and set a due date if needed. Assign the task to a team member by selecting their name. Click Add Task to save each new task. You can also create buckets to organize tasks by dragging and dropping. Customize your planner board as needed by adding labels or checklists. Regularly revisit your planner to update task progress. Enjoy the organized workflow that Microsoft Planner provides within Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.